First of all, thanks for having me. And thanks for you being so strong that you can stay until the last one of the presentations of today. Feels great to be back amongst people and not talk to a computer. Heard before. So, Airbus. Yes, we do printed electronics, and we highly depend on you guys to come up with the good ideas and come up with the good projects so that our creative minds can come up with a vision how a future cabin can look like. I have a video which should be in a second. Here we go.
The Airspace Cabin Vision 2030. A customer-centric approach inspired by airlines, technology companies and startups to create the future flying experience. Providing passengers more individual choice and a curated cabin experience, with cabin layouts optimized by artificial intelligence and continually improved by machine learning. Digital innovations will create a truly unique and inspiring space, seamlessly blending engaging ambiences with intuitive functionality. Start by selecting your family's perfect experience and begin your journey with a personalized and relaxed, calm boarding. Make full use of your dedicated private storage space. The whole family will enjoy new levels of comfort enhanced by digitally augmented reality. Equally, if you're traveling for business, you will want a different tailor-made experience. One where you can instantly access all your data using your own personal cloud. Working and playing as seamlessly as you do on the ground. Your preferences will also change over time. New technologies will make your experience easier. Smart materials and big data combine to deliver enriched services and a new level of well-being, while also enhancing efficiency, allowing cabin crew to deliver better, faster and more personal service. Flexible platforms will provide a range of new possibilities, transforming seating configurations, sleeping opportunities, automated services, and transforming spaces that adapt to creating a range of in-flight experiences that will be available to all passengers. All of these features are seamlessly supported by AI-enabled systems. The next step of your personal travel experience will widen your horizon.
So this is what happens when you leave creative minds with a green field in front of them, and then they come up with that. And after that movie was released, I got the job to investigate printed electronics. No pressure. No, the good thing is I can immediately imagine how to create some of these examples with the help of you or some of you. However, a small glance behind the scenes. This is how it looks today. This is the big production hall. This is a picture you probably have seen with the with children television shows where they explain how to build aircraft. What they don't show you is the right picture. Those are an enormous amount of cables, red cables. They are red because we have to remove them before we deliver the aircraft. Those cables are only there to test the cables we have already installed. So the smallest aircraft we built, the A320 in Hamburg, has 110 kilometers of cables inside. That's approximately the distance from sea level to space.